Hi hipsters, I'm Zoe. I'm the founder of GoTo Skincare and I have flown in all the way from Australia to talk you through my product line and to tell you a little bit about myself and also to introduce you to my travel go-tos. I'll see you soon. As a former beauty editor, to me, sort of making a line made sense. I'd had years and years at magazines like Cosmo and Harper's Bazaar learning about all the different types of products and ingredients, and I knew what worked and what didn't. Also, I had the consumer side because I'd written a beauty book, and so I knew that women were very confused about skincare and that they really wanted someone to hold their hand, talk them through it, and make them feel confident. I travel a lot, and that was one of the reasons that I made an essential edit of skincare, because as a mum of two and someone who travels the world, I just need whatever's in my kit to really work. I need to rely on it. Every go-to product is very nourishing and very calming for the skin, but there are a few that are particularly good for travel. One is our sheet mask, Transformazing, which gives you instant glow. If you're brave enough, you can wear it on the plane, but it's absolutely fine to do it when you get there. Or if you have a big event, when you get off the plane, you need your skin to be perfect. I love Face Hero. That's our absolute hero product. It's a nourishing face oil that's, again, really calming and soothing, but it gives your skin incredible luminosity and glow under makeup and really boosts your hydration. And then we have Lips, which is a really super hydrating lip conditioner and barrier. And very useful face cream is also just a super hydrating, does it all, very useful face cream. So some of my other travel essentials are a silk eye mask. I'm really a light sleeper, so if there's too much light on the plane or in the hotel, I gotta have my eye mask. I always travel with all my travel adapters and my phone chargers because I can't not have my electrical appliances in full charge at all times. I like to travel with lavender oil because it calms me down. I sprinkle some on my pillow wherever I am to feel a little bit at peace. And chocolate, because you never know if there's gonna be good chocolate on the other side, so take your own. So we started GoTo back in 2014, and I started the brand because I thought there was a real gap for an uncomplicated, simple, useful, really useful and fun brand in the skincare market. So GoTo, it's a very funny brand. I can say that. I think that we put jokes through all the copy and we make the experience fun and lighthearted because ultimately, at the end of the day, you're just putting lotions and potions on your face. Why can't that be fun? It's an act of self-love. You're gonna do it every day. Why not enjoy yourself? Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This has been fun. I hope you get a chance to try our Face Hero, and why not leave your travel go-tos below so we can all learn your tricks. Okay, bye.